Welcome to our guide on the UK tax-free personal allowance. We'll break down how it works in plain English. Understanding your tax is key to managing your finances. Let's look at why your total salary isn't taxed at the same rate. A common fear is that earning slightly more pushes your entire salary into a higher tax bracket. Let's debunk that today. We'll cover the allowance definition, tax bands, salary examples, and why your specific tax code matters. The personal allowance is the amount of income you can earn before you start paying income tax. Your total salary is not taxed uniformly. Only specific portions fall into different tax bands. Think of the personal allowance as a tax-free layer at the bottom of your income structure. Income tax is charged in bands, meaning you only pay the higher rate on income that exceeds the threshold. We will walk through a concrete example to show how your paycheck is calculated after tax. Most individuals have a standard allowance, but this is the threshold where your tax liability begins. Remember, individual circumstances like benefits or tax credits can change your entitlement to this allowance. You pay 0% on your personal allowance, then specific percentages on income above that, tiered by band. This progressive system ensures you aren't penalized for small pay increases. Only the income within the higher band is taxed at the higher rate, not your entire salary. If you earn above the allowance, we take the taxable portion and apply the corresponding band rates. Looking at an animated payslip helps visualize these deductions clearly each month. By segmenting your income into these bands, the math ensures fairness across different pay levels. Tax thresholds are subject to change. Always verify the current fiscal year's rules. Changes to your employment or personal life can fluctuate your personal allowance eligibility. Note that Scotland operates with different income tax bands for employment income compared to the rest of the UK. Always refer to the official HMRC website for the most accurate and current information regarding your tax obligations. Your tax code is critical. It tells your employer exactly how much tax to deduct from your earnings. If your situation is complex or you have questions, please reach out directly to HMRC for personalized assistance. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute individual financial or tax advice. Please seek professional guidance.